Good day. Let me introduce G60 to you. This is our Red Dot award-winning product. It has the few key features, and let's see what they are. First of all, the device integrates the thermal image camera into the device, which means it can transform the temperature into visible images. As you can see, there's no source of heat on the wall except my hand. When I move my hand away, you can see the image of my hand. This is because the temperature is left on the wall. We can see the image here with the naked eyes. Let's take a closer look at the image below. The image shows no source of heat. But G60 is capable of performing algorithms to interpret that data and build a thermal image. The application is made possible for inspecting many electric wires at the same time. In some wire assembly case, it may be up to 20 wires. But when I read a thermal image, the heat is dispersive, already added. So I'm not too sure it is the 12th, 13th, or 14th wire that overheats. However, with the optical image fusion technology, I will know which wire is overheating, so I can inspect it. For example, there are many circuit breakers in the power distribution boxes. I can check them with my bare hands. Besides, it will take too much time if I want to inspect each of them. So we take thermal images of the breakers, upload the data to the base stage to create a database, and compare the data to spot the differences. If there are some thermal images rather than normal, I can send some engineers to inspect those breakers and see if they are overloaded, worn out, damaged, etc. We can maintain the utility before it is out of order. The reason why walkie-talkie has such design in our device is because the workers still need to be reachable in the construction site in case of the power cut and the internet of the phone service are not available. Another example is when workers climbing up an electricity pylon situated high up in the mountains where there are no internet or phone services. G60 supports point-to-point or group intercom via wireless communication within 5 kilometers. This is analog communication, or you can choose digital communication mode. On the device, there is the very useful design called SOS, which is a one-button alarm. This is for emergency rescue when the constructors or repair technicians are in the remote areas, hence they have a difficulty in describing their location. When the constructors or technicians press this button, the device sends their current location to the backstage, and the backstage gives off GPS coordinates to notify the police or medical services division. Here are 4 buttons. F1 and F2 represent customized functions that meet the client's industrial needs. This REC button means recording. The constructors or technicians often need to take notes during inspection, or in the case of obstruction of service, they can press the REC button to record a voice. There is an upward pointing arrow. This is a special design called press to upload. For instance, when I take photos when inspecting the sites, I can press this button and upload the data to the base stage in the cloud. The screen brightness of this device is 500 nits. One of its compelling characteristics is its glove mode, which means you can use the device while wearing gloves. Furthermore, G60 has the rainy day mode. What it means is the screen remains functional despite the raindrops on the screen. G60 is capable of identifying your fingers instead of raindrops, as they are filtered out as noise. This is why we can operate the device outdoors on the rainy days.